Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Ivan. Here we are with the much awaited playlist on Python programming. So without any delay, let's start a journey of mutual learning together. Python itself is a much talked language in the entire coding community. Its ease of code readability and vast applications make it the most popular programming language. Learning Python is a key aspect in every coder's bucket list. So let's dive deeper into the world of Python together. In this video, we'll talk about four key major aspects in Python. First of all, what is Python? Here we'll tell you about Python, its standard definition, and various other points. Secondly, applications of Python. Here I'll walk you through the major applications of Python in today's world. Thirdly, installation. Here I'll walk you through the entire process of installation of an IDE and interpreter for running and executing Python codes. Lastly, some tips for the future. Here I'll give you some tips that will be helpful for you through the entire video. So let's start. What is Python? Python is an interpreted, high-level and general-purpose programming language used worldwide. Here, interpreter means it's interpreted and can be accessed and executed on an interpreter. High level. High level here means it is written in a language that is understandable to us humans. And general purpose. General purpose here means Python has vast applications on various key aspects. You can use Python to do a lot of works for which you had to take other languages or learn other languages earlier than Python. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant whitespace. Here this line means, although Python does not has a robust syntax or semantics, you have to make sure about the indentation of Python document. I'll talk about this later in the coming videos and make it more clear to you. Thirdly, its language constructs an object-oriented approach aimed to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale products. You can write codes that are smaller or are large-scale product codes using Python easily without any hassle. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structural, particularly procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Lastly, Python is often described as a batteries included language due to its comprehensive standard library. It has various libraries which can be used during time to perform various tasks using Python. So let's dive deep into the world of Python. Installation. For this course, you would need the following: an IDE, that is an integrated development environment. As we are working on Python interpreter, I would suggest you all to install any of the following, either PyCharm or Visual Studio Code. I personally would be working on Visual Studio Code. An interpreter. For this, go to python.org to install the installer package from the latest version of download section. Here you have to be specific for your operating system. There are different packages for Mac and Windows. So just be specific and download the version that is suitable to your operating system. Now we come to the major part about Python, that is the applications of Python. Python itself has vast applications, some of which we'll be discussing together. First and the most important application of Python is machine learning and artificial intelligence. In machine learning, Python is used to write various algorithms that are used to train machines regarding various tasks of the daily life so that the machines can think and develop an intelligence of their own, thus artificial intelligence. Secondly, desktop GUIs. Python can be used to code desktop GUIs that are graphical user interfaces Earlier, it was used Java and SDK were used to code these GUIs, but you can code them using Python. Web scraping. Here, web scraping means you can alter the websites using Python very easily. It can be used in a various ways for web development. Fourth, data science and visualization. Data science and visualization itself is a different field. Here you work with data, analyze it, and predict some things based on it. So we'll talk about it further in the coming videos. Software development. Software development here means you can develop various apps that are system apps for the entire operating system using Python. Lastly, it's used for web development. Web development earlier had to use some server-side scripting languages like PHP or various formats like JSON. But with the coming of Python, you can also code the server side of your website using Python. This all makes a Python a vast language with a vast amount of applications. So, learning Python is a must for all branches of computer science. Let's go further. Now, at the end of this video, I would like to give some tips for future that would be helpful for you in the long run. As the playlist progresses, I would suggest you all to maintain your notes from the video. I'll personally ask you to take screenshots of the various materials I'm sharing through the video and maintain a note. It makes you more committed in learning Python. All the codes will be present on my GitHub repository, which I'll be sharing soon on my channel. So let's keep learning, keep hustling. Thank you for your attention. Let's meet in other video.